Hello everyone, this is the second part of the chapter expansion. Today I am going to explain you the application of formula. Now without wasting much time, let us start the sum. If x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5, we have to find out x square plus y square. So there are two methods by which you can find out the value of x square plus y square. First thing, you can apply the formula of a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square have two formulas. First one is a plus b square minus 2ab and another is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Now say minus is given, x minus y is given and xy is given. So in this sum we are going to use this formula. So x square plus y square can be written as x minus y square plus 2 into x into y. Clear? Now x minus y is equal to 8. So it will become 8 square plus 2 into xy. xy means 5. 8 square is equal to 64 plus 2 into 5, 10. So 64 plus 10 is equal to 74. Clear? Moving into the next part, there is another way you can solve this. Now here x minus y is equal to given as 8. X minus y is given as 8. Now we have to find out x square plus y square. So we squaring both sides. So squaring both sides. What will you get? Square of x minus y is equal to square of 8. Now use the formula a minus b square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 64. Clear? Here we are using the formula a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now in place of xy we substitute the value 5. So we will get x square plus y square is equal to 64. This minus 2xy will change the side, it will become plus 2xy. So plus 2 into xy. In place of xy we substitute 5. So 2 5 ja 10. 64 plus 10 is equal to 74. So therefore x square plus y square is equal to 74. So either way you can find out the value of x square plus y square by directly applying the formula or by squaring both sides. Moving into the next problem, it is given that if 2a plus 3b is equal to 7 and ab is equal to 2, we have to find out 4a square plus 9b square. So now say 4a square plus 9b square. 4a square, it is a perfect square of 2a. 9b square can be written as square of 3b. Clear? So now first I am going to solve this problem using the formula of a square plus b square. Now, a square plus b square formula is, in terms of a plus b, is a plus b square minus 2 into a into b. See, suppose x square plus y square formula is x plus y square minus 2xy. Clear? Formula is a square plus b square or x square plus y square. Now here I am considering x square by y square because in the sum itself it is mentioned a and b, so better to take some other variable. Now the formula of x square plus y square is x plus y whole square minus 2ab. So now see, if you compare, so in place of x we have 2a, in place of y we have 3b. So now if you apply this formula, so you can write 2a plus 3b square, 2a plus 3b square minus 2 into x means 2a and y means 3b. Clear? Now 2a plus 3b is equal to 7. So we write 7 square minus 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12. 12ab. In this step as well you can substitute the value of ab is equal to 2. For your convenience I am using the next step. So 7 square means 49 minus 12 into 2. 24. So 49 minus 24. Therefore 4a square plus 9b square is equal to 25. Or I can take this term, so I am solving it another method, so alternative method. Let 2a plus 3b is equal to 7, this is given. So squaring both sides you will get 2a plus 3b square is equal to 7 square. Use the bracket, sometimes you write 2a plus 3b square. So that is wrong. So what you did here, I am writing for your convenience, squaring both sides. Now use the formula square of a plus b. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it implies a square means 2a square plus b square means 3b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 7 square means 49. 7 square means 49. So it implies 4a square plus 9b square is equal to 49 minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. 12 AB, in place of AB substitute 2. So 49 minus 24, this is equal to 25. Therefore we will get 4a square plus 9b square is equal to 25. Clear? So in the last two sum I used both the method to explain. Either you can use directly the formula or you can square the quantity, given quantity both sides, and then use it the other information to find out the value. Clear? Now let us solve this problem. It is given that x plus y is equal to 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. Again there is two ways. One, the direct application of formula, and another way, another process which I am going to explain you first. Now the first relation is given as x plus y is equal to 8. Now first squaring both sides, so we get x plus y square is equal to 8 square. So it means x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 64. Clear? So this is the first relation. Second one is x minus y is equal to 2. Same way, squaring both sides, we'll get square of x minus y is equal to 2 square. So you get x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 4. Clear? This is the second relation. Now, to get 2 into x square plus y square, you need to add these two relations. Adding 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, then you get x square plus 2xy plus y square plus, now you are adding this, so left hand side will be added together, right side will be added together. X square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 64 plus 4. Clear? Now see, 2xy and minus 2y will get cancelled. X square plus x square, it is equal to 2x square. Y square plus y square, it is equal to 2y square is equal to 68. So it implies 2 into x square plus y square is equal to 68. Clear? Now, moving into the direct application, there are two formulas. One is 2 of a square plus b square is equal to a plus b square minus square of a minus b. This is the first formula. And second formula is 4ab is equal to a plus b square, which will be plus, sorry, a minus b square. So now look at the value, find the value of this. This is, so we are going to apply this formula. So if you apply this formula, say in place of 2x square plus y square, you can write it as x plus y square plus x minus y square. Clear? If you use this formula, so in place of a we have x, in place of b we have y. So 2 into x square plus y square is equal to square of x plus y and square of x minus y. Now x plus y is given as 8. So 8 square plus x minus y is equal to 2 square. So 64 plus 4. This is equal to 68. So either way you can solve the problem. Moving into the next, it is given that a plus b is equal to 4 and ab is equal to minus 12. We have to find a minus b. Now, before I give you the formula, let us discuss how we will find a minus b using a plus b. Clear? So a plus b square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? Now a plus b square. Now I am subtracting minus 4ab term from both sides. I am subtracting minus 4ab term from both sides. Now let this term be like this only. will not simplify. It will be a plus b square minus 4ab. Now a square plus 2ab and minus 4ab can be written as minus 2ab plus b square. Now this is the formula of a minus b square. We will get a plus b square minus 4ab. Now we are going to use this formula to find a minus b using the information of a plus b and ab. So you need to remember this formula. Clear? So this is the formula of square of a minus b if square of a plus b and ab is given to you. Similarly, if I write a minus b square plus 4ab, so this will be the formula of a plus b square. So you can learn this formula, but it is equally important you know how this formula were derived. Clear? So I am going to use this formula. So a minus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 4ab. Now a plus b is equal to 4 square minus 4 and ab is equal to minus 12. Clear? So 4 square means 16 minus minus plus 12 4 ja 48. Now a minus b square is equal to 64. Square of a minus b is 64. Therefore a minus b is equal to plus minus of 8. Clear? Moving into the next part, a square minus b square. So this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b is equal to 4. So in place of a plus b we write 4. And a minus b is equal to plus minus of 8. So 4 8 ja 32. So your answer will be plus minus 32. Moving into the next problem. It is given that if x minus 3 is equal to 1 by x, we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So now say linear term is given, we have to find out the value of square term. So we need to square in both sides. Now it is given x minus 3 is equal to 1 by x. So before we apply the squaring, first we need to rearrange the term. That is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. That means we are taking this minus 3 to that side, so it will become plus 3, and 1 by x to this side with x. So it will become minus 1 by x. Now squaring both sides. You will get x minus 1 by x square is equal to 3 square. Now here I am going to apply the formula of a minus b square. So formula is a square plus 1 by x square, that is b square, minus 2 into a into b is equal to 9. This x and this x get cancelled. So you get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9. And if you take this minus 2 to the other side, it will become plus 2. Therefore, value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 11. Clear? Now, let us discuss the next problem. x plus y is given as 8 and xy is given as 4 3 are 12 plus 3, that is 15 by 4. Now there are three subparts of this sum. So let us first solve the first part. So if you see, in the last second or third sum, I have discussed the formula of x minus y in terms of x plus y. The formula is x minus y square is equal to x plus y square minus 4xy. Clear? Now substitute the value of x plus y and xy. So x plus y is equal to 8 square minus 4 into 15 by 4. 4 cancel. So 8 square means 64 minus 15. 64 minus 15. So this is equal to 49. So now see, x minus y square is equal to 49. So if you take the square root on both sides, so you will get x minus y is equal to plus minus 7. Clear? Now next one is 3 into x square plus y square. 3 into x square plus y square. So moving into the next part, that is we need to find out the value of 3 into x square plus y square. Now here I am going to apply the formula of a square plus b square in terms of a plus b. So the formula if you apply, so you will get x plus y square minus 2xy. Formula of x square plus y square is x plus y square minus 2xy. So you will get 3. X plus y value is 8. So 8 square minus 2 into xy value is 15 by 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So you get 3. 8 square means 64 minus 15 by 2. Clear? Now if you further simplify, so you get 3. LCM is 2. 128 minus 15. So this is equal to 3. 128 minus 15 is 113 by 2. Now if you multiply, you will get 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 by 2. You can leave it here or you can convert it into mixed fraction. Clear? Now look, we'll discuss the third part of the problem. We have to find out 5 into x square plus y square plus 4 into x minus y. Now see, again we are not going to find out the value of x square plus y square. In the last part we find out the value of 3 into x square plus y square. Now what is the value of x square plus y square? It is, we are getting as 113 by 2. 113 by 2. That's why I am using the bracket so that I can use the result of x square plus y square in the next problem. So value of x square plus y square is equal to 113 by 2. So 5 into 113 by 2. We directly substitute the value plus 4 into x minus y. X minus y value is plus minus 7. Value of x minus y is plus minus 7. So we'll get 565 by 2 if you multiply these two, and plus minus 28. So now if you see, we are getting two values. One value is 565 by 2 plus 28, and another value is 565 by 2 minus 28. Clear? Because the value of x minus y is plus minus 7. So in place of x minus y, we substitute plus minus 7. So one time we are getting plus 28 and another time we are getting minus 28. So if you simplify this, LCM will be 2. 565 plus 56. 621 by 2. Clear? Just check. LCM is equal to here you can write 28 by 1. So 2 and 1 LCM is 2. 565 plus 56. 6 5 11. 6 5 11. Carry 1 2 and 5 1 6. So you are getting 621 by 2, or same way 2 565 minus 56. So you can leave the answer as, or you can convert it into mixed fraction. Clear? Moving into the next problem, it is given that 2a minus 3b is equal to 3 and ab is equal to 2. These two information are given to you. You have to find the value of 8a cube minus 27b cube. So we find the solution. So it is given that 2a minus 3b is equal to 3. So we have to find out 8a cube minus 27b cube. That means you need to cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides, you will get 2a minus 3b to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. Now here use the formula of a minus b to the power 3, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b, a minus b, 2a minus 3b is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube means it is equal to 27. Clear? Now, so this will be equal to 8a cube. Cube of 2a means 2a multiplied by 2a multiplied by 2a. So it will be equal to 8a cube. Same way, cube of 3b, this is equal to 27b cube. Now, say 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Then if you multiply these two, you will get AB, and value of AB is given as 2. So we substitute 18 into 2, and value of 2a minus 3b is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 27. Again I am repeating, if you multiply these, I am showing the calculation here. 3 2 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. AB 2a minus 3b. Now 18. Value of AB is 2 and and value of 2a minus 3b is equal to 3. So this is equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube is equal to 27, and if you take this term to the other side, so it will become plus 18 to the 36, 36 3 ja 108, so plus 108. Therefore 8a cube minus 27b cube is equal to 135. Clear? Now next problem is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, find the value of, there are 4 subpart of it. So first let us take the first one, x square plus 1 by x square. So to find out x square plus 1 by x square, we need to squaring both sides. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So squaring both sides, you will get x plus 1 by x square is equal to 4 square. Now apply the formula of a plus b to the power 2 or a plus b whole square. So you will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 16. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Now see, this x and this x will cancel each other. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 16 minus 2, that is equal to 14. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Clear? Now moving into the next part is x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So here what you get? Here you are getting x square plus 1 by x square. So you need to square this term. So it implies, so we start our second part. So squaring both sides. Square. So again you are going to apply the formula a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 14 square. 14 square is equal to 196. Now see, this x to the power x square and x square will get cancelled. So we will get x to the power 4, 2 into 2 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 196 minus 2. If you take these 2 to the other side, it will become minus 2. So 196 minus 2 is equal to 194. So this is the second part. Now student, you must remind that suppose this part is not given to you, directly you need to find out x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So first you need to apply the formula of x square plus 1 by x square. That means first we need to squaring both sides. Whatever the result you are getting, you need to square again to find out the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Moving into the third part of this, x cube plus 1 by x cube. That means we need to apply cubing both sides. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. It is given. So cubing both side means cube of x plus 1 by x is equal to 4 cube. So here we are using the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b, a plus b is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now see, you are getting plus 3. Value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So into 4 is equal to 64. Therefore, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 minus 3 4 is 12. 64 minus 12. It is equal to 52. So you get the value of, therefore, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 52. Clear? Now the last part, x minus 1 by x. So I told you need to first find out square of x minus 1 by x. So formula of this is x plus 1 by x square minus 4. Again I am reminding you, here I am using this a minus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 4ab formula. Clear? So now ab, 4ab means 4 into x into 1 by x. So x will get cancelled. So we are getting minus 4. I hope you understand this one. Now x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So 4 square minus 4, that is 4 square means 16. 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. Clear? So this is the value of 12 is the value of square of x minus 1 by x. Therefore x minus 1 by x is equal to plus minus square root of 12. Clear? Because we have to find out x minus 1 by x. We are first finding the value of x minus 1 by x to the power 2. That is 1x minus 1 by x whole square. So square root of 12 means plus minus 2 root 3. Therefore value of x minus 1 by x is equal to plus minus 2 root 3. Now let us solve this problem. X minus 1 by x is given as root 5. I take this problem, the process is same, but some of you have the doubt when the term is given in a square root. So I am solving this. So first x minus 1 by x is equal to root 5. To find out x square plus 1 by x square, the step we are following that we need to squaring both sides. So squaring both sides means x minus 1 by x square is equal to root 5 square. Root 5 square means root 5 into 5. Root 5 into root 5, it is equal to 5. Now apply a minus b square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b is equal to 5. This x and this x will cancel each other. So we get x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. When it change the side, it will become plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So this is our first part. Second part is finding x plus 1 by x. So first we find out x plus 1 by x square. Clear? So formula is, now see, we need to find out x plus 1 by x, and the information about given is about x minus 1 by x. So we use the formula x minus 1 by x square minus, plus 4. Again we are using the formula, I am writing here a minus b square is equal to, there are two formulas, a plus b square minus 4ab, and another formula is a plus b square is equal to a minus b square plus 4ab. So we have to find out x plus 1 by x square, so I am using this formula. Clear? Now x minus 1 by x is equal to root 5. So root 5 square plus 4. So root 5 square means root 5 into root 5, that is equal to 5. 5 plus 4, it is equal to 9. Now see, x plus 1 by x square is 9. Therefore x plus 1 by x is equal to plus minus 3. Clear? So that means you are getting two values of x plus 1 by x. One is x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 or minus 3. Moving into the last part, that is x cube plus 1 by x cube. So apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, or so a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b to the power 3 minus 3ab a plus b. Now see, we are getting two values of x plus 1 by x. One is 3 and another is minus 3. So we need to find out 2. Correspondingly you will get the two values of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So after this we write, when x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then it is equal to 3 cube. This x and this x will cancel each other, minus 3 into 3. So 27 minus 9, it is equal to 18. 3 cube means 27 minus 9 means 18. And when x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3, then you will get minus 3 to the power 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Now see, minus 3 cube means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is equal to minus 27. So minus 27 minus minus plus 3 3 are 9. So you will get minus 18. So corresponding to two values of x, you will get two values of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now let us solve our next problem. If x minus 2 by x is equal to 3, we have to find out x cube minus 8 by x cube. Obviously, by this time you learn that if x minus 2 by x is given and you need to find out cube, so we need to cubing the both side of the given relation. So x minus 2 by x is equal to 3. So cubing both side, you will get x minus 2 by x cube is equal to 3 cube. Clear? So now apply the formula. Which formula we are going to apply? We are going to apply the formula of a minus b cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So if you apply this formula, then we get x cube minus 2 by x cube minus 3 into x into 2 by x minus 2 by x. It is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Clear? Now we cancel these 2x, so you get x cube minus 8 by x cube. 3 2 is 6, and value of x minus 2 by x is equal to 3. So 6 into 3 is equal to 27. It implies x cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to 27 plus 18. 27 plus 18. So this will be equal to 45. Therefore, x cube minus 8 by x cube is equal to 45. Now, moving into the next problem, it is given that a plus 1 by a is equal to p. A plus 1 by a is equal to p. We have to find out, we need to prove that a cube plus 1 by a cube. That means we need to apply cubing both sides. So you get a plus 1 by a is equal to p cube. Now apply the formula here. So you get a cube plus 1 by a cube minus, it will be plus 3 into a into b, a plus b, that is a plus 1 by a is equal to p cube. Here we are applying the formula. For your reference, I am trying to write the formula so that you can compare. Is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now say this a and this a will cancel each other. So you get a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to. Now see, this is p cube. Now a plus 1 by a is equal to p. So if you take this term to the other side, so it will be 3p. So when we change the side, it will be minus of 3p. Now, why I am taking this term to the other side? Look at the proof. It consists of only a cube plus 1 by a cube. So we are keeping these two terms here, and this term we are taking to the other side. So p common, so you get p square minus 3. P into p square minus 3. Therefore, a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to p into p square minus 3. Let us solve this problem. It is given that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27. We need to find out the value of 3x cube plus 5x minus 3 by x cube minus 5 by x. Now before we proceed, first simplify this term. For this, I am keeping these two terms together. 3x cube minus 3 by x cube, and these two terms together plus 5x minus 5 by x. Clear? This is called the rearrangement of term. We rearrange the term. Now, from these two, we can take 3 common. Now see, 3x cube minus 3 by x cube. So these 3 are in the numerator. So we can take 3 common. So if you take 3 common, you will get x cube minus 1 by x cube. Clear? And from these two, we can take 5 common. So 5 x minus 1 by x plus 5 into x minus 1 by x. Same logic. 5 is in the numerator, 5 is in the numerator, so we are taking 5. So we get 3 into x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 5 into x minus 1 by x. Now if you simplify further, here we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. So if you apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, you will get a minus b a square plus a into b plus b square. This part I am going to explain you here. Say a cube minus b cube, formula is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Clear? Now if you compare, so for us a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 by x. So in place of a we need to substitute x, and in place of b we need to substitute 1 by x. So if you apply the formula, you will get this term. Clear? Plus 5 into x minus 1 by x. Now this is one term and this is another term. From these two terms, we can take x minus 1 by x as common. So x minus 1 by x as common. So if you take x minus 1 by x common, that will leave 3 into x square plus 1 by x square. This x and this x will cancel, so you will get plus 1 plus 5. Clear? Now if you see, x square plus 1 by x square value is given as 27. So using this relation, we have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. So I am giving this term as an expression 1. Now x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 27. Here I am going to use the formula a square plus b square is equal to a minus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Now you can ask me why I am going to apply this formula. Reason is I need a value of x minus 1 by x. So if we apply this formula, so you get x minus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 27. Clear? This 2x, x and x will get cancelled. So this plus 2, when it change the sign, it will become minus 2. So therefore x minus 1 by x square is equal to 25. it implies x minus 1 by x is equal to, taking square root on both sides, you will get plus minus 5. So you write 5 or minus 5. Or you can write it as plus minus 5. Anyway, that means we are getting two values of x minus 1 by x. One is 5 and another is minus 5. So 1 by 1 in this relation, we are going to substitute the value of x minus 1 by x. First time 5 and next time we are going to minus 5. So from 1, when x minus 1 by x is equal to 5. So what you will get? In this place we substitute 5. Now x square plus 1 by x square is 27. So 27 plus 1, 28. So you will get 3 into 28 plus 5. This is equal to 27. X square plus 1 by x square is 27. 27 plus 1, 28 multiplied by 3 and then 5. So we will get 5 multiplied. Now 28 multiplied by 3. 28 multiplied by 3. 84 plus 5. I am showing all the calculation here. 89. 89 so here we are writing 89 and then we need to multiply 89 into 5. 445. So answer is 445. Clear? Now look at the next part. That means now we are going to substitute when x minus 1 by x is equal to minus 5. Now if you substitute minus 5, so this will be equal to, from 1 you will get minus 5. Now this part remains the same because the value will not affect, because x square plus 1 by x square is 27. That means if you simplify this part, you are going to get 89 only. So I am writing here directly 89. And 89 into 5 is, this time we are getting the value as minus 445. Again I am repeating, this value will not affect. Only x minus 1 by x. One time we substitute 5, another time we are going to substitute minus 5. But this part remains the same. So in spite of calculating again, you can directly substitute the value. If you multiply, you will get minus 445. Now, let us discuss this problem. X square plus 1 by 4x square is given as 8, and you need to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. Now, from here directly you will not get this. Whether you can apply, if you are applying squaring both sides, then you will get 4x raised to 4 plus 1 by 16x to the power 4, but you will not get the cube. So first, using this, we need to find out the value of x plus 1 by 2x. First, using this, find out the value of x plus 1 by 2x, because square of x is x square, square of 2x is 4x square. And once you get x plus 1 by 2x, then apply cubing both sides. Then you will get x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now say, so how I am going to solve this? X square plus 1 by 4x square is equal to 8 given. Now I am going to apply the formula a square plus b square. So a square plus b square formula is a plus b square minus 2 into A into B is equal to 8. If you have confusion, I am showing you one more step. Now they say, write this x square as square of x and this term as 1 by 2x square. So this is equal to A. Now so this will be A and this will be B. So A square plus B square means A plus B whole square minus 2 into A into B. Now see, these 2x and these 2x will cancel each other. This you will get here minus 1, when it change the side it will become plus 1. So you will get x plus 1 by 2x square is equal to 9. Therefore, x plus 1 by 2x is equal to plus minus 9. Plus minus 9. That means, that is, you are getting two values. One is 1 by x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3, or x plus 1 by 2x is equal to minus 3. So we need to find out x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. So suppose this is relation 1 and I am writing this as a relation 2. Because since you are getting two values of x plus 1 by 2x, so we need to take both the values. X plus 1 by 2x is equal to 3. So now cubing both sides. Cubing both sides, so you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b, a plus b is equal to 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27. I hope you understand this one. By this time I hope there should be no problem to understand this type. Still I am telling you, this is x plus 1 by 2x to the power 3 is equal to 3 cube. And now applying the formula. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So you get x cube plus 1 by 8x cube. Now this is equal to 3 by 2. So plus 3 by 2. And value of x plus 1 by 2x, we are substituting first time 3. So into 3 is equal to 27. So you get x cube plus 1 by 8x cube is equal to 27 minus 9 by 2. This is 3 by 2 into 3, that means 3 by 1. So 3 3 are 9 by 2. So when you take this term to the other side, it will become minus 9 by 2. If you simplify, so you get LCM will be 2, 54 minus 9. Therefore, x cube plus 1 by 8x cube is equal to 45 by 2. Clear? Now, next part, if you take x plus 1 by 2x is equal to minus 3. Now see, this part calculation will not be difficult. Directly you can write x cube plus 1 by 8x cube is equal. Now I am showing you how you can find out directly. Now this is minus 3. Now we are substituting minus 3. So if you cube, so you get minus 3 to the power 3, which is equal to minus 27. Clear? And in this place, if you substitute minus 3, so this will become minus 9 by 2. So it will become plus 9 by 2. So this time your answer will be minus 45 by 2. If you have confusion, you can proceed in this way, or you can directly use you can put some smart calculation here. So this will be minus 27, this will be minus, it will become plus. So we'll get the value of x cube plus 1 by 8x cube as plus minus 45 by 2. This will be your answer. Let us take the another example. If a is equal to 1 upon a minus 5. So you have to find out a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a, and a square minus 1 by a square. Let us start with the given expression. So there are two ways you can proceed with this. The first way is if you take the reciprocal on the both sides. So 1 become 1 by a and this will become a minus 5. If we take the reciprocal on the both sides. So 1 by a is equal to, now keep this 1 by a on the other side and 5 on this side. So we will get a plus 1 by a will become 1 minus 1 by a, and this minus 5, when you change the side, this will become plus 5. So we'll complete the first. There is another way you can solve this. A is equal to 1 upon a minus 5. Apply cross multiplication. Then you get a into a minus 5 is equal to 1. So if you simplify a into a square minus 5a minus 1 is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by a. If you are dividing both sides by a and then apply term by term division, so you get a square by a minus 5a by a minus 1 by a is equal to 0 by a, that means 0. So this a square by a, you will get a, these two will get cancelled. I am writing this term first, minus 1 by a, and you will get minus 5. When you change the side, it will become plus 5. See, in either of way, you can find out a minus 1 by a. Now moving into the next part. So, we are applying the formula square of a plus 1 by a. So formula is a minus 1 by a square plus 4. Clear? Now this is equal to a minus 1 by a is equal to 5. So 5 square plus 4. 5 square means 25 plus 4 is equal to 29. Plus 4 is equal to 29. It implies a plus 1 by a square is equal to 29. Therefore, a plus 1 by a is equal to plus minus square root of 29. If you have problem here, again for your convenience, I am repeat this. I am using this formula. A plus b square is equal to a minus b square plus 4ab. Now moving into the third part, a square minus 1 by a square. So this can be written as square of a minus square of 1 by a. So here you can use the formula a square minus b square formula. So this will be equal to a plus 1 by a and a minus 1 by a. So a plus 1 by a is equal to plus minus root 14, root 29 into this value is equal to 5. So you get plus minus 5 root 29. Now let us discuss this problem. If x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, we have to find out the value of root x plus 1 by root x. First, find out the value of 1 by x. So 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. Now here you need to rationalize it. Rationalization, you know. If you have doubt, go to the I button, link is given, you can revise the chapter. So now if you rationalize, we need to multiply with 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 6. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 5 plus 2 root 6. So this is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Denominator is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 5 square minus 2 root 6 square. So 5 numerator, let it be this only 5 plus 2 root 6. Now 5 square is 25 minus 2 root 6 square. 2 root 6 square means 2 root 6 multiplied by 2 root 6. 2 2 is 4, root 6 into root 6, 6 is equal to 24. So you will get this is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 by 1. So we are not writing by 1 means it is same. Now take this term root x plus 1 by root x square. Root x plus 1 by root x square. So you will get a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into a into b. So x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now value of x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Value of x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. 1 by x. Value of 1 by x, 5 plus 2 root 6. So 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 2. Minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6. Cancel. 5 plus 5. 10 plus 2, 12. Now 12 is the value of square root of x plus 1 by square root of x whole square. So therefore, if you take the square root on both sides, so you get this is equal to plus minus square root of 12. So this is equal to plus minus square root of 2 root 3. Now there is another way to solve this problem. Now say x is given as 5 minus 2 root 6. 5 minus 2 root 6. Now this 5 you can write it as 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6. Clear? So now we have arranged this. X can be written as root x square. X can be written as root x square. Now 3 can be written as root 3 square. 2 can be written as root 2 square. Minus 2 root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Just we are rearranging the terms. That means we are rewriting the terms to arrange it in a perfect square. Therefore, root x square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be written as root 3 minus root 2 square. Clear? So if you take the square root on both sides, you will get plus minus root 3 minus root 2. Clear? Similarly, if you find out 1 by x, so 1 by root x means 1 by plus minus 1 by root 3 minus root 2 plus minus. Now 1 by root, so you need to multiply with root 3 plus root 2, numerator and denominator. So you will get root 3 square minus root 2 square in the denominator. Clear? I am just skipping one step where you can multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3 plus root 2. So in the denominator you are getting root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. So a square minus b square. So this is equal to plus minus root 3 plus root 2. Clear? Now root x plus 1 by root x. Root x plus 1 by root x is equal to plus minus root 3 minus root 2, and 1 by x is equal to plus minus root 3 plus root 2. So if you can plus minus, so this will be equal to root 3 minus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2. Root 2 cancel, you will get plus minus 2 root 3. You can solve this problem in either way, either this way or that way. Let us discuss this problem. If a plus b minus c is equal to 5 and a square plus b square plus c square is given as 29, we have to find out the value of AB minus BC minus CA. So we will first take this relation and apply squaring both sides. Minus C is equal to 5. Now if we apply squaring both sides, then you will get a plus b minus c square is equal to 5 square. 5 square means 25. Now if you expand this, so the first three terms will be a square plus b square plus c square. Now if you, well, the first part I told you that c is negative, so whenever c terms will be there, that product will be negative. Now the first product is 2ab, so that will be plus 2ab as both a and b are positive. Now the next is bc. C is negative, so we are right minus 2bc, and the last product is ca. So c is negative, so minus 2ca is equal to 25. Clear? Now a square plus b square plus c square is given as 29. So we substitute here. From these three we can take 2 common. So you get AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 25. Now take this 29 to the other side. So you get 2 into AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 25 minus 29. It implies AB minus BC minus CA is equal to minus 4 by 2. So this is equal to minus 2. So value of AB minus BC minus CA is equal to minus 2. Now let me take another example before I wind up the chapter. Here a minus b is given as 7 and a square plus b square is given as 85. So we need to find out the value of a cube minus b cube. Now what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? it is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Clear? Now see, value of a minus b is given. Value of a square plus b square is also given, but this value is missing. Value of ab is missing. So what we need to do, we need to use these two relations to find out the value of ab. Now for that you can write a plus b square is equal to 85. Now apply the a square plus b square formula in terms of a minus b. So you can write a minus b square plus 2ab is equal to 85. Clear? Now a minus b is equal to 7. So 7 square plus 2ab is equal to 85. It implies 2ab is equal to 85 minus 49. So 85 minus 49, it is equal to 36. Therefore ab is equal to 36 by 2, that is equal to 18. So ab is equal to 18. Now write this term and substitute all the values. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a minus b. A minus b means 7. A square plus b square is equal to 85 plus ab means plus 18. Clear? So 7 So if you multiply, you will get 7 to 1. So value of a cube minus b cube is equal to 7 to 1. Hope you have noted down all the sums, you understand. Now practice these sums and complete the exercise from your textbook. Till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you.